Hello, let's take a look at lesson 3, and we're going to represent mixed numbers with units of tens, ones, and tenths with place value discs on the number line and an expanded form. So let's see. Right there. Okay. Let's just go to this chart for now. So we're representing mixed numbers in many different forms. And so take a look at what's already given to you in the chart. So it says mixed number, ones, and fraction form. So this is what we've been doing in the previous lesson. We had something like this. Okay, 4 wholes and 6 tenths was like 4 of those area models shaded in with 6 tenths shaded in, 6 out of the 10 pieces of the next one. 4 shaded in, 6 out of the 10 pieces of the next. 4 and 6 tenths. So representing this in decimal form, remember, would be 4.6. I wish I could write it there, but 4.6. 4.6. So if we're representing on the number line, what we would do is we would label 4 on this end, 5 on this end, knowing that there are 10 tenths in between the 4 and the 5, so that we could say 4, 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, and we would put the dot right here, 4 and 6 tenths. Expanded form, if you look down at what's represented here, it looks kind of intimidating, but that's okay. So we're expanding it out, stretching it, expanding it out to represent it in an equation. So there is 4 in the ones place, right? We have 4 ones. So we would say we would say in parentheses 4 times 1, because there's 4 ones. And then we would say plus, and then we would say 6 times 1 tenth, just like it shows down here. 6 times 1 tenth, same thing, because we have 6 tenths again. So 4 times 1 in parentheses plus 6 times 1 tenth is 6 tenths. And so let's go through one more just to, or more than one more, I guess, but just to make sure that you get, I know that's probably the hard part, how much to get to the next one. So if we look back at the number line, we say, well, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths, 10 tenths. So that would be 4 tenths to get to the next one, which you could write as either 4 tenths fraction form or 0.4 is how far to get to the next one whole. So let's actually take a look at D, because that's where they're throwing out a bigger number. It's still just a mixed number, but there is a digit in the tens place as well. Okay, fine. So 71 and 3 tenths. Decimal form, wouldn't that be 71.3? 71.3. And then in the number line, the whole numbers that it's between are 71 here, 72 here, 71 aquí y 72 aquí. And you did 10 tenths here, okay, right? 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths. So your dot would go here, 71 and 3 tenths. Over here to the expanded form. Now we have a digit in the tens place, which is the 7 tens. So we would say, in parentheses, 7 times 10, 70, right? Plus 1 times 1, because there's only 1 in the ones place, plus 3 times 1 tenth. So it kind of looks like this one here. I'm almost out of time. Okay, so then it would be how much further to the next one whole, and so you would have 7 tenths to get to 72, right? So you either put 7 tenths or you put 0.7. Questions if you have them? Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.